Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Enoch Nsubbuga. Welcome to Travel with Enoch and Jackie. And the show starts right now.
Bushbaby Lodge is located on a family-run farm and offers comfortable accommodation, dining and recreational facilities with 10 rooms which can be outfitted with single, double or bunk beds depending on the guest's needs. All these rooms have inside bathrooms with showers and hot water. Here's a room tour by yours truly.
It's been a while since we got used seeing rustic, contemporary, Africanized spaces. And today we are in Mukono.
Yes, at a place called Bushbaby.
Bushbaby, I love the name. So the moment I walked in, the thing I spotted that I loved the most is the use of color. Okay. The entire room is white. The beauty with using all white in a space is it makes the room look really big and it brings in a lot of lights. As soon as you walk in at the entryway, there's this hook that Enoch loved very much. He was able to put his jumper right on one of those hooks. And as you walk in still, at the entryway, we have that little shelf. Very cute. The way the bed is made, it's a custom-made bed clearly. When I look at it, it doesn't have the traditional headboard that comes with a bed looking a particular way. So it allows the curtains on the other side to make the white bed headboard with the white curtains that just match. And also the other thing that I love about this room, on the bed, he loves the white on the bed. I love the bed scarf at the end of the bed. So at the foot of the bed, we have this nice African runner that is really cute. You can call it a throw, whatever it is you want to call it, but it has add a lot of class and style and character. I love the fabric on the curtains. It's linen. They're very clean. And I also love the bulb in here, the lampshade. It's really cute. It's simple. This room being practically all white, there was a smart way to bring in color. These art pieces, they're just 3. I always tell you there's power in 3. 1 big one and then 2 complementary ones. The 2 small ones and the big one in the middle gives it balance. But also now we tap into the color orange. We still see the browns and in there, and the different colors in these art pieces that bring life and character to this room. I also love the tile on the floor. It's cute, it's just calm.
Simple.
It's simple, yes. Yeah. And then finally, I think the best part of this room. Clearly, this toilet has a beautiful shape. And then beside it, on the towel holder, you have the white towels. They still keep the white theme going in the bathroom. And then the most important thing in this bathroom, it's the tile. It's called a backsplash. It has orange. It has different, like it makes you see patterns. Yeah. So that is a backsplash, and it's a very cool way to show class, style, and elegance. This room is spacious. There is not too much. There's a simple mirror. There's a simple white sink, and then the backsplash does all the talking and the shape of the toilet, and that's it. You can't beat that. Simple is everything. Simplicity speaks a lot of stuff. But this room was the style you can call boho, you can call rustic, but it's minimalist, it's contemporary. It's a mix of ideas. When you walk in, it's very modern, but simple.